What if I told you that the way you think about money is the only thing keeping you from having it? Have you ever noticed how some people attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle no matter how hard they try? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. And when it comes to money, the way you think determines whether you attract abundance or push it away. Studies show that 90% of self-made millionaires share one thing in common. They think about money differently. They don't see it as hard to get. They don't chase it. They attract it, naturally, effortlessly. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. In this video, you'll discover how to reprogram your mind for wealth, so money flows to you with ease. And I'll give you simple, powerful steps to make this happen, starting today. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're serious about unlocking financial abundance, this is the place to be. Now, let's get started. Most people believe that money is hard to earn, that it requires endless struggle, sacrifice, and luck. But that belief alone is what's keeping them broke. Think about it. When you see money as something scarce, something difficult, you create resistance. You subconsciously push it away. Every time you say, "I never have enough," or "making money is tough," you're reinforcing a reality where wealth is always out of reach. But what if I told you that money is just energy, flowing, abundant, and always available? What if the only thing stopping it from coming to you is the way you think about it? Look around. There are millions of ways to make money. New businesses are being created every day. People are earning more now than ever before in history. The opportunities are endless. So why not you? The difference between those who attract money effortlessly and those who struggle isn't luck, it's belief. Rich people don't see money as hard to get. They see it as something natural, something that flows easily to those who align with it. So here's what I want you to do. Change the way you speak about money. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," start asking, "How can I afford this?" Instead of thinking, "I never have enough," affirm, "Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways." Every morning, take 1 minute to repeat this. Money is easy to attract. Money flows to me effortlessly. I am open to receiving wealth. Say it. Believe it. Watch how your reality shifts. And if this is making sense to you, hit that like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's keep going, because this next mindset shift is a game changer. Most people think, "Once I'm rich, I'll feel successful." But that's backward. Wealth doesn't make you feel rich. Feeling rich makes you wealthy. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how people who constantly focus on what they lack always seem to struggle? Meanwhile, those who already act like they have abundance, no matter their bank balance, somehow keep attracting more? That's because your emotions create your reality. If you're always feeling broke, desperate, or frustrated about money, you're reinforcing a mindset of scarcity. And a scarcity mindset repels wealth. But when you train yourself to feel rich first, before the money even shows up, you start attracting wealth effortlessly. Here's how you do it. Start shifting your focus to what you already have. Every night, write down 3 things that make you feel abundant. It could be something as simple as a warm home, good health, or the skills you have that can generate income. The more you acknowledge abundance, the more of it you attract. Next, carry yourself like someone who is already successful. Walk with confidence. Speak about money positively. Make decisions as if you already know wealth is coming. Because when you believe it, opportunities start appearing. This is exactly how successful people think. They don't wait for the money to feel wealthy. They feel wealthy first, and then the money comes. So here's your action step. For the next 7 days, start acting like the wealthy version of yourself. How would you think? How would you speak? How would you make decisions? Step into that version of you right now. And if you're ready to start attracting wealth instead of waiting for it, hit that like button and comment, "I am abundant." Now, let's move on. Because this next shift will turn your mind into a money magnet. Your mind is like a magnet. It's constantly attracting things that match your thoughts and beliefs. The question is, are you attracting wealth or pushing it away? Most people don't realize this, but the way you think about money directly affects how much of it you receive. If you constantly focus on not having enough, you train your brain to look for proof that you're broke. You notice bills piling up. You feel stress when checking your bank account. And without realizing it, You block opportunities for wealth to flow into your life. But what happens when you shift your focus? When you start seeing money as something that comes easily, your brain starts working in your favor. You begin spotting opportunities you never noticed before. You become more confident in your ability to earn. And suddenly, money seems to flow effortlessly toward you. Here's how you reprogram your mind to become a money magnet. First, change the words you use. Never say, "I can't afford it." Instead, ask, "How can I afford it?" This simple shift trains your brain to look for solutions instead of limitations. Next, practice wealth visualization every day. Close your eyes and picture yourself living in abundance. Feel the emotions of success, security, and financial freedom. The more you do this, the more your mind starts believing it's real. And when you believe it, you attract it. And here's a powerful affirmation to repeat daily. Money flows to me in increasing amounts from multiple sources. Say it. Feel it. Watch how your financial reality changes. If you're ready to turn your mind into a money magnet, hit that like button and type "I am ready" in the comments. And keep watching, because the next shift is where the real magic happens. The harder you chase money, the faster it runs away. Have you ever noticed that? When you're desperate for cash, nothing seems to work. Clients disappear. Opportunities dry up. It feels like money is playing a game of hide and seek. That's because desperation repels wealth. When you chase money, you're operating from a place of lack, of fear. And that energy pushes money away. But when you shift from chasing to attracting, everything changes. Think about it. Rich people don't run after money. They create value, and money flows to them naturally. They focus on solving problems, serving others, and providing something valuable. And because of that, money finds them effortlessly. So here's the shift. Stop asking how to get money. Start asking how to create value. The more valuable you become, the more money comes to you, without force, without struggle. And here's an action step. Every morning, ask yourself, how can I provide massive value today? It could be in your job, your business, or even in a simple conversation. When you focus on giving, you open the doors to receiving. And remember this, money is not something you run after. It's something you align with. Act like someone who already attracts wealth. Speak with confidence. Trust that opportunities will come. And watch how the money starts flowing to you. If you're done chasing and ready to start attracting, hit that like button and comment, "I am a money magnet." And stick around, because the next shift will show you how millionaires actually think. Rocket. Most people believe that working harder is the key to wealth. But if that were true, the hardest working people in the world would be the richest, and they're not. The truth is, millionaires don't just work hard, they work smart. They don't waste time on low-value tasks. They focus on the 80-20 rule, where 80% of their results come from just 20% of their efforts. Instead of staying busy, they focus on activities that actually grow their income, building skills, making connections, and creating assets that generate wealth. Think about your daily routine. Are you spending time on things that make you money, or are you just staying busy? Are you scrolling through social media, answering emails, or doing work that doesn't actually increase your income? Here's how you shift into a millionaire work ethic. First, identify the top 3 actions that bring you the most financial growth. Maybe it's improving a skill, reaching out to high-value clients, or working on a side business. Whatever they are, make them your priority every single day. Next, eliminate distractions. Millionaires don't waste time. They protect it. They set boundaries, delegate tasks, and focus intensely on what matters. If something isn't moving you forward financially, cut it out. And here's an action step. Every morning, write down 1 high-value action you'll take that day to grow your income. Not 10, not 5, just 1. Then do it. Success isn't built overnight, but small, powerful actions add up fast. If you're ready to start thinking and working like a millionaire, hit that like button and comment, "I choose smart work." Now, let's move on, because the next shift will determine your financial future. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Their mindset, their habits, and their beliefs about money are shaping your financial future, whether you realize it or not. If you're surrounded by people who complain about money, who say things like rich people are greedy or making money is too hard, guess what? That energy affects you. You start absorbing those beliefs. And before you know it, you're thinking, acting, and earning just like them. But here's the good news. You can change your environment. Wealthy people surround themselves with others who think big, who talk about ideas instead of problems, who focus on opportunities, not obstacles. And when you spend time around success-minded people, your entire mindset shifts. So ask yourself, who do I need to start learning from? Who's already where I want to be? If you don't have those people in your life yet, find them. Follow successful entrepreneurs online. Join a business group. Listen to podcasts from millionaires. Expose yourself to a higher level of thinking every single day. And here's an action step. Make a commitment right now to connect with one new money-minded person this week. It could be in an online group, at a networking event, or even reaching out to someone you admire. The more you surround yourself with success, the faster it rubs off on you. If you're ready to upgrade your circle and start thinking like the wealthy, hit that like button and comment, "I choose success," because the next shift is the one that makes all the difference. Rock it. Most people wait for the perfect moment to start their journey to wealth. They tell themselves, "I'll start when I have more time. I'll invest when I have more money. I'll take action when I feel ready." But here's the truth. Waiting keeps you broke. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Wealthy people don't wait. They take action before they feel ready. They understand that success isn't about knowing everything. It's about moving forward, learning, and adjusting along the way. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. Think about it. How many ideas have you had but never acted on? How many opportunities have you let pass because you hesitated? Every day you delay is a day you push your financial freedom further into the future. But the moment you decide to move, everything starts shifting in your favor. So here's your shift. Stop overthinking, stop doubting, and start doing. Even if it's just a small step, take it today. Apply for that job. Start that business. Invest in that skill. Do something that moves you toward your financial goals right now. And here's your action step. Write down one decision you've been putting off and commit to taking action on it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is this: successful people take action. If you're ready to start moving toward wealth instead of just thinking about it, hit that like button and comment, "I take action now." Because your financial future isn't waiting for you. It's waiting for you to claim it. Everything you desire, wealth, freedom, success, it all starts in your mind. Your thoughts create your reality, and the way you think about money determines whether you attract it or repel it. Right now, you have a choice. You can keep thinking the way you always have and get the same results, or you can start shifting your mindset and step into the abundance that's waiting for you. Remember, money isn't hard to get. It's not something you chase. It's something you align with. When you think rich, feel rich, and take action like the wealthy do, you start attracting money effortlessly. So don't just watch this video. Apply what you've learned. Choose one shift from today and start practicing it now. Because real change happens when you take action. And if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. This is just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. Like this video, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build wealth together.